Hello everyone. Welcome back to my Vitamin Doctor, your trusted source for health, wellness, and skincare tips. Today, we're going to talk about a must-have for anyone dealing with dry, chapped hands, La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Hand Cream. This is a lifesaver for your hands, especially in harsh weather or after frequent hand washing. Let's dive into why this product should be a staple in your skincare routine. La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Hand Cream is a barrier cream that provides intense hydration and protection for your hands. It's designed to soothe, repair, and protect dry, irritated skin, making it perfect for those with sensitive or damaged hands. Whether your hands are dry from cold weather, frequent hand washing, or exposure to harsh chemicals, this cream has got you covered. Key ingredients and benefits: niacinamide. This form of vitamin B3 is a powerhouse when it comes to soothing and calming irritated skin. Niacinamide helps to reduce redness and inflammation, making it ideal for hands that are dry, chapped, or prone to irritation. Shea butter. Known for its deeply moisturizing properties, shea butter nourishes the skin, leaving your hands feeling soft and smooth. It helps to restore the skin's natural barrier, preventing moisture loss. Glycerin. A humectant that draws moisture into the skin, glycerin ensures that your hands stay hydrated for longer. It creates a protective barrier on the skin, locking in moisture and keeping irritants out. Thermal spring water. This thermal spring water is rich in minerals and antioxidants, helping to soothe and protect the skin. Non-greasy formula. One of the standout features of this hand cream is its fast-absorbing, non-greasy formula. It leaves a matte finish on your skin, so you can apply it and go about your day without any sticky residue. Using this hand cream is straightforward. Start by washing your hands with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt or impurities. Squeeze a small amount of the cream onto your hands and gently massage it in, paying extra attention to the areas that are particularly dry or irritated. It's especially beneficial to apply after washing your hands or whenever your skin feels dry. Who can use it? This hand cream is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It's particularly beneficial for those who have dry, cracked, or irritated hands. If your hands are exposed to harsh conditions, whether due to your work or lifestyle, this cream will provide the relief and protection you need. Use it regularly throughout the day, and especially after washing your hands or before heading out into cold or dry weather. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my Vitamin Doctor for more tips on maintaining your health and skin. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.